Hello students, welcome to our online English class for 8th standard ICSE. Now this is session number 6 in Merchant of Venice, Act 1, Scene 1. In our previous session, before we could close, we have seen that Antonio is telling Graciano that he considers this world only as a stage where he plays the part of a sad person. Then let us see what Graciano is answering. Let us continue in this session, see what Graciano is answering to Antonio. Let me play the fool. With mirth and laughter, let old wrinkles come. And let my liver rather heat with wine than my heart cool with mortifying groans. So what is Graciano saying? Dear Antonio, if you think that this world is a stage and you think that your part is the part of a sad man, I want to be a person who is jovial. Let me play the fool. Means let me be like a joker in this stage. I don't want to be sad. I want to be happy always. Not only making myself happy, but I want to make others also to be happy. I want to be cheerful and laughing always. Till when? Till I get wrinkles of old. Means when do we have wrinkles on our skin? When we become old, isn't it? So he is saying, in other words, Graciano is saying, I want to laugh and be happy and cheerful till I become old. I want to rather have a warm body by taking wine. Why should I be like a cold person? Okay, then let my liver rather heat with wine. Means I want to have a warm body by taking in some wine. Means enjoying my life. Be happy because I have got warm blood in my veins. When I have warm blood in my veins, why should I act like a cold person who has no emotions? Cold person with cries of depression. I don't want to be crying, I don't want to be sad and be like a cold person who has no emotions in himself. I want to make myself happy because I have warm blood in my veins. Sit like his grandshire cut in alabaster. Sleep when he wakes and creep into the jaundice of being peevish. He's also saying, he's continuing, he's saying, why should I sit like a statue which is cut down out of alabaster? Alabaster means a white stone which is used to make statues. He's saying, I don't want to sit like a statue which is made out of stone. Rather, I want to, and I don't want to sleep when it is time for a person to wake up or be happy moving around. I don't want to be like a person who has symptoms of jaundice because of his ill temper. I want to be like an active man because I have got warm blood in me. I don't want to act like a statue which has no emotions, a statue which is made out of stone. But I want to be a happy man, he says. I tell thee what, Antonio, I love thee, and it is my love that speaks. So he's saying, Antonio, let me tell you something. I want to give you an advice because I love you. And out of my love, I want to give you a small advice. What is he saying? Further he is saying, there are a sort of men whose visages do cream and mantle like a standing pond, and do a wilful stillness entertain, with purpose to be dressed in an opinion of wisdom, gravity, profound conceit, as who should say, I am Sir Oracle, and when I ope my lips, let no dog bark. So what else is he saying? See, I tell you, there are a sort of men, a kind of people who have very serious faces. They don't show any emotions on their faces, but their faces are very still, like still water in a pond. They don't show any emotions on their face. And what do they think? That by acting so serious like that, without showing any emotions on their face or not talking with anyone, by being quiet and by being to themselves, they think that they are trying to tell others that they are very wise men. Okay, they have wisdom in them by being silent, by not talking much with people around them. And once in a while, when they open their mouth, they expect that no one else should talk. They talk as if, what sentence is he saying? See, it seems these kind of people, when they open their mouth, they try to give a expression to the others saying, I am Sir Oracle, means whatever I speak, I am speaking out of my wisdom. So, let all the others listen to me. Let them not open their mouth while I am speaking, because I am a wise man. This is the kind of impression they would like to give others by being very quiet and acting very serious. O my Antonio, I do know of these, that therefore only are reputed wise for saying nothing, when I am very sure if they should speak, would almost damn those ears which hearing them would call their brothers fools. What else is he saying? What else is Gratian saying? Dear Antonio, believe me, these people who keep quiet and appear to be very serious without showing any emotions on their faces and saying that they are very wise, if only they have to open their mouth and speak, and the ones who are listening to them, when they open their mouth, they will only feel that it is better that these people be quiet. If they open their mouth, they only project themselves to be fools. They only prove themselves to be fools by what they speak. It is better for them to be quiet only and act as if they are wise, but in fact they are not wise. I'll tell thee more of this another time, but fish not with this melancholy bait. For this fool Gudgeon this opinion. Come, good Lorenzo, fare ye well awhile. I lend my exhortation after dinner. So what is he saying? So, do not show your sadness. Don't put your sadness as a melancholy bait. What is melancholy? Being sad. Bait means something which we use to catch the fish. So don't use your sadness like you are putting a bait for a fish. This is not the way to go, and this is my opinion, he says. Then he is turning towards Lorenzo and saying, Lorenzo, come now, let us go. Then he is asking Antonio, saying, okay, now allow us to go for now. We want to take farewell from you, or we want to take leave from you for now. And I would like to continue my advice to you after our dinner. But for now, we will take leave from you. Thank you. We'll close this session till here. We will continue the lesson in our next session.